What I got so far, got these pork steaks on a good deal, $7.06. That's about 4 good meals right there. Walmart. Mississippi. Where you at? What's up? This your boy, Mike Lana from Hot Atlanta. Let me close this curtain. But that sun ray, something serious. Oh my gosh. Come on. Alright, there we go. Cool, we cool. So, man, it's been a journey. I'm over here in Mississippi right now at the truck stop. I just left Dallas. Man, it's been raining all day. Like, I can't stand the rain. I really can't. I don't like driving at night, and I don't like driving in the rain. That's just me. But it's finally stopped raining. It's sunny outside right now, but my goodness, for the past 2 days, it's been raining. I've been in Dallas in that vicinity, I guess you say. So, man, raining like crazy. But anyway, what's up, y'all? It's your boy Mike Lana from Hot Atlanta. Make sure you follow me on Instagram. I'm trying to get back on Twitter. I done said this in my old videos. You know, a lot going on with Twitter right now, and it could benefit me in the long run. We'll see how it goes. But you know, invest your money. But I try to post on Twitter when I can. But just follow me anyway. You know, when I get the urge, I'll post. Instagram, and yeah. But I'm over here in Mississippi, and a lot's going on right now as far as just everything. Like, I just played the lottery, you know what I mean? It's $875 million. 807. If you take the cash option, it's 414. Man, just thinking off of just 1 million, you know what I could do with that. Just $1 million. Not 414 or 875, but one. Hey, that'll change my that'll help some things out. A lot of things out. So just played the lottery, man. It's a lot going on right now. Oh man, I keep burping. I won't stop. But keep burping. So yeah, lot of things going on right now. Stocks are going up. Crime is going up. Social media is going up. I mean, when you think about it, it's like social media. Oh my goodness, man. It's really taking over. So you get to see everything. Man, there's so much stuff happening to work. Schools getting, it's still school shootings, which I was so sad about that. the one in St. Louis. I'm on this road every day, and I just see accident after accident after accident. Like, man, like, when you build your life, and you really have to build your life. It's not no, I'm gonna see how things go, or I'm gonna do this, that, or whatever. You know what I'm saying? It's make sure my life. No, you have to actually build your life. You have to meet people. You have to set certain standards. You have to have a goal. You have to pursue whatever it is you're gonna do, and you have to do it. Because right now, you can't be living off of hopes and dreams. You really can't. Ain't no hopes and dreams going on in today's world. I got like a full list of stuff that's just bothering me and what's wrong with today's world. Inflation, the mortgage rate done went up to like 7%. Like, oh my gosh, like it's way too much. Way too much. But I'm over here chilling with my boy. I'm with my boy Apollo. He just be looking at me like I'm crazy. But we just sitting here chilling, man. I'm at the Loves right now. Take me a shower in the morning. Still got my free showers from my old company. Got about like 200 showers. I'm gonna take a shower or whatever. But yeah, man, this is just a quick check-in, quick video. Make sure y'all follow me, subscribe, all this other good stuff, man. Let's go. Keep those wheels turning, because if them wheels ain't turning, you not earning. Yes, you're not. Let's go.